Hello lovelies and welcome back. Welcome to another little quickie. Mate, if I keep doing this I'm going to get a reputation. Alright, so what I thought is, I'm doing curry sausages at the moment for the kids, which by the way is another great way to get your kids to eat sausages. And I thought, while I'm doing the curry sausages, I might just put a really quick video in there and just show you how you can get your younger kids to eat sausages. Now I do this trick every time there's young ones around, so usually when they're like 3 or 4 years of age, you just can't get them to eat anything, right? So if you had a barbie or something, just get your sausage and cut it up. I know this seems really simple, and it really is simple, but I don't know why, for some reason, kids love eating the face off of things. So they'll eat them, just eat the face off it. So it really works well. So we'll just cut them up, put them into the shape, eyes, nose, mouth, big smiley face. Like that sauce, get your sauce, a little dab on each one. Draw some eyebrows. And you're away, mate. They will eat them every single time. Doesn't matter where you are, what you're doing. Go out somewhere and you see a little one who won't eat. Cut one of them up and whack them in front of them, and I guarantee you, they'll eat the sausages. Alright, now I'm going to put up the curry sausages in case you want to try them for your kids. And if you've got really fussy kids, I'm also going to put up there a really basic spaghetti bog. So there's practically nothing in it. But if you can't get kids to eat, I promise you they will eat it. Oi, have yourselves an awesome day. I'll be back. Bye.